What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to my new IGTV series called So You Think You Wanna. This series was born out of people asking me for basic tips for beginners in makeup. And so I thought an IGTV series would be the perfect way to get a lot of information to a lot of people in the quickest amount of time possible. So today we're going to start our series with eyeliner. Wing liner is so cute. It can put the finishing touch on any look, and it's also kind of difficult to do. So today I'm going to show you how to do wing liner correctly, what tools to use, and what you can do if you mess up. So let's get started. I'm starting off with a pretty simple palette. I do have on concealer and some brown eyeshadow. The concealer is to mute any of the discoloration on my natural eyelids, and then the brown eyeshadow is to give me a natural look, but other than that, that is it. I'm gonna be using the NARS Cosmetics Deep Space Liner to do this wing. It's a felt tip pencil, it's super black, and you barely have to put any pressure on it for you to get a really nice line. So we're going to start in the outer corner of our lash line. What you want to do is extend the bottom of your lash line out like this. Looking down into a mirror, I'm going to use the tip of the liner pen to extend this bottom lash line out. We're going to come in about 2/3 of the way from the tip of your line and make another line that goes down into the lash. You see? So now I'm going to take the tip of the pen again and then use that to connect the inner corner of my lid to this line that we drew. Finally, I'm going to fill this all in. And it's as simple as that. You have a winged liner. So what happens if you mess one up? You're going to take some skin tone concealer. Right now I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to pick up a flat concealer brush like this MAC 212. Dab a little bit of the concealer into the top of the brush, and then go along the base of the lash line where you messed up. This will ensure that your wing is super crisp and nobody has to know that you had an oopsie. Sometimes it takes more than one coat of concealer, but usually it's okay because you're going to put foundation on after this. So y'all, you have two perfect wing liners. If you have any other questions, be sure to ask me in the comments. Be sure to click the link in my bio to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go into way more depth than I do here on Instagram. And be sure to come back every Wednesday at 1 for our So You Think You Wanna series. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.